Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to Lily Pop Love. I'm Denise, and we are on day 17 of watching Jenny open the day 17. So let's watch her, see what she's wearing, and I'm not sure what this one is. Maybe it's a tool or a notion or something good we can use besides scrubbing pads, because I don't like scrubbing pads. So let's see what we got. This should be good. Let's see.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 17, and I'm super excited about this whole experience. It's so fun to get up every morning and open a gift with you, and I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. So let's see what day 17 is. Oh, here it is right here.
It's right here.
All right, let's open it up. Oh, I remember what this is. Okay. So these are two really important tools. This is a pressing stick and a turning tool, and we've embellished it with these cute quilt blocks to make you love it even more. This sits right in my little jar with my seam ripper and my little scissors right by my sewing machine. I've used this tool for many years, and you'll find this is a really helpful tool, and I hope you love it. Also, we're giving you the really nice Roxanne glue stick. And this is a glue stick you're going to need for things that are coming up. And it's a great glue stick. It's for quilting, sewing, scrapbooking, other craft projects. It dries clear. It's really a nice glue stick. And I know you don't know what we're going to use this for, but I'm going to tell you real soon. So happy day 17.
So another project. I have one of these, but it doesn't look like this. It doesn't have the little cute blocks on it like they have on, it's actually the blocks on it that they have on the plates and the dish rags, scrubbers, Swedish dish rags. So that's keeping in a theme. That's cute. You can use these to press your thing open before your seams open if you like to open and iron your seams flat. That's good for that. And we got a glue stick, so we must be going to do some applique or something. I'm not sure. So this is a good one. I like it because it's all useful tools that we all use. So very happy with this. So come back and let's watch Jenny tomorrow. I'll see you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Click on my face. Hit subscribe. Throw a like. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.